It is almost midnight and we haven't had a nighttime thunderstorm in a long time. The temperature may be cool, but the humidity has been up today, so the humidity must have given these storms a boost of energy just when I thought they were going to dissipate. Boy, was I wrong. Oh, the lightning is coming from the west. I'm facing the southwest. Better go in the backyard for a better view. Oh, I just missed a flash of lightning. I'm here in the backyard. Oh, that was a quiet one. Very quiet. Sorry, this camera is not designed to record at night, so my apologies. Alright, hang on a sec. I'm gonna stand on the stool right here. Whoa. There we go. Ooh. A little bit of lightning going on tonight. I just hope it brings some rain along with it. Ooh, nice. Pretty. The lightning is even more beautiful at night. South Lake Tahoe is probably getting hammered right now.